Welcome to AutoGaze. If you're a fan of classic cars and timeless automotive engineering, get ready for something truly special. The legendary 1969 Porsche 911T has been reborn, bringing back one of the most iconic sports cars in history with modern enhancements while preserving its unmistakable charm. According to the latest updates, this revitalized classic is everything Porsche purists could ask for, blending vintage design with cutting-edge performance and precision. The original 1969 Porsche 911T was a car that defined an era. It was lightweight, agile, and packed with an air-cooled flat-six engine that delivered an exhilarating driving experience. Now, the reborn version takes all those qualities and elevates them to an entirely new level. Under the hood, the car now features a refined 2.0-liter or 2.2-liter flat-six engine, tuned to deliver improved power and torque, offering a more responsive yet authentic driving feel. Porsche engineers have meticulously fine-tuned the engine to maintain that signature air-cooled sound, while integrating modern components for enhanced efficiency and reliability. From the exterior, the 911T Reborn stays true to its classic silhouette, keeping the iconic round headlights, flowing fenders, and minimalist aesthetic intact. The body has been subtly enhanced with lightweight materials, improving aerodynamics while maintaining the car's original proportions. A refreshed suspension setup and precision-tuned steering ensure that the car delivers a more refined ride while preserving its raw, mechanical connection to the road. This means better handling, sharper cornering, and an overall more engaging drive. Inside the cabin, the 911T Reborn blends nostalgia with modern craftsmanship. The interior features premium leather seats, retro-inspired gauges, and a perfectly balanced three-spoke steering wheel, paying homage to the original design. At the same time, modern conveniences have been seamlessly integrated. Expect an upgraded infotainment system with touchscreen functionality, Bluetooth connectivity, and improved climate control, all while maintaining the simplicity and driver-focused essence of the original model. One of the most impressive aspects of the reborn 911T is its commitment to retaining a pure driving experience. Unlike modern Porsches loaded with electronic driving aids, this machine keeps things analog. The manual transmission remains a key part of the car's soul, allowing drivers to feel every shift and every rev in perfect harmony with the engine. The lightweight body structure, paired with upgraded brakes and chassis dynamics, ensures that this car is just as thrilling on a winding back road as it is on a spirited track day. According to the latest information, production of the 911T Reborn is expected to be highly exclusive. Porsche enthusiasts and collectors worldwide are already showing immense interest in acquiring this modern classic. With only a limited number of units planned, owning one of these will be a privilege reserved for those who truly appreciate the heritage and engineering behind this masterpiece. Porsche's dedication to reviving the 911T speaks volumes about the brand's commitment to its legacy. This project is more than just a car. It's a celebration of Porsche's history and its ability to continuously evolve while staying true to its roots. The 911T Reborn is a perfect blend of past and present, giving enthusiasts the chance to experience a classic icon with the benefits of modern technology and refinement. With all these incredible updates, it's clear that the 1969 Porsche 911T Reborn is not just a tribute to an automotive legend. It's a true work of art that brings history back to life. Whether you're a collector, a purist, or simply an admirer of Porsche's engineering excellence, this car is a dream come true. Stay tuned for more updates on exclusive releases, test drives, and in-depth reviews right here on AutoGaze. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.